With the name of Allah the most gracious and mighty, I welcome all of you. And how are you today? We will start a new chapter 6, particles. In this chapter you will study particles and substances that are found in 3 different states of matter. The students will be able to understand what are particles and substances, why matter is found in different forms, existence of substances like solid, liquid and gases. Our today's topics are particles and substances, solids, liquids, and gases. To know about different forms of matter in which substances exist. The substances around us can exist in 3 different forms: solid, liquid, and gas. We call these the 3 physical states. The diagrams in the next slides will explain them. Matter is a substance that has space and weight. Matter consists of various types of particles, each with weight and size. The most familiar examples of material particles are the electron, the proton, and the neutron. Combinations of these particles form atoms. The matter can be classified into different categories based on the physical properties exhibited by them and the states in which they exist. In fact, scientists are sure that solids, liquids, and gases are all made up of tiny particles called atoms and molecules. Solid do not flow over surfaces. Solids have a definite shape. Solids have fixed volume. Examples of solid are wood, stone, iron, ice, car, computer, carrot, book, and cup. Do you know why solids have fixed shape? A solid will retain its shape because the particles are not free to move around. The crystalline solids have flat faces and sharp edges. Like all solids, they keep their shape and do not flow. Examples of crystalline solids include salt, diamond, and sugar. Liquids do not have well-defined shape, and they can flow over surfaces. When a liquid is poured into a jar or a bottle, it takes up the shape of the container, but only up to a certain level. Liquids has a specific volume that can be measured with the help of a measuring cylinder. Note: volume is the space occupied by any substance. Gases do not have a well-defined shape. A gas is a substance with no definite volume and no definite shape. Gas particles spread out to fill a container evenly and occupy all the space, as shown in the diagram. Liquids and gases are called fluids because they can be made to flow or move. The following system works due to the property of flow of gases: jet engine, respiratory system, land breeze and sea breeze. Can you mention some examples which show the flow of gases? It is possible to pour heavy gases from one container to another. Example: as a balloon filled with lighter gas, like helium, is floating up in the air, while heavy gases like carbon dioxide comes down. Do you know what are the reasons of sea and land breeze? Many substances can exist in all the three physical states. Best example is water. Water comes out of the freezer as a solid, ice out of the trap as a liquid, and out of a boiling kettle as a gas. Steam, heating or cooling water, can change in its state. Scientists have built up a model to help explain how solids, liquids, and gases behave. It is called the particle model. The particle model describes the arrangement and movement of particles in a substance. The model is used to explain the physical properties of solids, liquids, and gases. Review the text of the video carefully and thoroughly. Complete the given worksheet. Practice the following general assessment questions. Thank you, and have a nice day.